My name is Manuel Bueno. In Mexico, where I grew up, there was not that many opportunities. You had one teacher for like 50 students. Then I got here and I saw a lot of opportunities. I was working late hours, especially the weekends. And as my kids grew up, they started playing sports. And I really wanted to see my son play. I always knew that I needed to get an education. And if I wanted to move forward and get a better job, I knew I needed to first learn English. And after taking the ESL program, start taking classes for my high school equivalency. I was about to finish with my GED when Mr. O'Neill reached out to me and see if I wanted to take the Training on the Go program. So I was able to get my welding manufacturing certificate and my high school equivalency at the same time. You're working to get your diploma as you're actually practicing the job. I mean, within 2 months that I was in the program, I already have 3 job offers. I work full-time at a steel company. I am welding, building rails. I know I'm gonna be able to support my family financially. It allows me to be there for my children when they need me. I never thought that I would be where I am right now. It makes me feel that I accomplished something. I personally thought I was too old to learn, but obviously it's never too late to learn.